Hi superstars! Thank you for joining me in this video. In this video, we're talking about packaging of palm oil. Palm oil packaging is a very important aspect of palm oil business. It's not just about aesthetics, it plays a very important role in the quality of palm oil. And also, it makes handling palm oil comfortable, thereby facilitating marketing and sales of palm oil. Okay, so palm oil has lots of advantages, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you the advantage of packaging palm oil. And also, there are some I's you need to dot and T's you need to cross theoretically before venturing practically into palm oil packaging business. So I'll be sharing that with you. And also, there are requirements you need to put in place. There are requirements you need before venturing into palm oil packaging business. I'll also share that with you. Okay, my superstars, I'm your girl Idon Young, and I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe and like this video. And please, my superstars, don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Without taking your time, let's continue. I know you're wondering, why should I package my palm oil when I can just put it in any container, cover it, and take it to the market for sales? It has its advantages. The first advantage is that it gives you a broader market, not limited to your local market. A well packaged, sealed, and certified palm oil can be sold in the supermarket, mall, and even international market, thereby giving you an opportunity to earn in foreign currency. Yes, a well sealed and certified palm oil can be exported to other countries and sold, thereby giving you foreign currency. The next reason is that it protects the quality of the palm oil. The palm oil retains its aroma, taste, and the quality. It doesn't go rancid very quickly, and also it protects it from being spilled during transportation, and also during it facilitates your ability to be able to market and sell more palm oil. It can be transported to anywhere in the world, any state, and it can be sold in any platform. Okay, my superstars. So right now we'll be talking about the I's you need to dot and the T's you need to cross before venturing into palm oil packaging business. Okay, so the first one is that you need to ensure that your packaged palm oil is health friendly. Okay, you need to ensure that your packaged palm oil will have a low free fatty acid content. As such, it will be healthy for everyone of every age range, especially the elderly. And also, you need to ensure that your packaged palm oil retains the quality, and the quality as in it has a good aroma, good color, and everything. It doesn't go rancid when people buy it. The next thing is that your packaged palm oil has to be affordable. You have to make sure you are able to find a packaging material that makes your palm oil affordable by the public. And also, it has to be available. It has to be such that it is available all year round, and also it must be such that it is convenient to be carried around. The material you use in packaging the palm oil must be very, very convenient and very okay for people to carry around. Those are the first things you need to consider and make sure you have handled theoretically before venturing practically into packaging your palm oil. Okay, my superstars, now we'll be talking about the requirements for starting a palm oil packaging business. All right, so the first requirement is a facility. All right, so the facility will have to have a sustainable water supply and electricity. And apart from that, it will have some basic machineries that will enable the smooth running of your palm oil packaging business. All right, so the next requirement is a palm oil source. In palm oil packaging, it is always advisable that you buy your palm fruits, extract and process the palm oil by yourself to ensure that the palm oil produced meets the standard requirements and certifications uh, by um, by standard organizations. Okay, so there are certain levels of free fatty acids that is required in a palm oil that can enable it be sold in supermarkets, malls, and even the international market. So by processing it by yourself, you will ensure that those parameters are met in the course of your processing. All right. So if you don't have what it takes to process by yourself, you could actually buy from other people who are into processing. You will have to source for someone who is also very good and follows those codes and ensures that his or her palm oil meets those specifications. And also, you also need to have more than one or two people doing the supplies and processing for you. Okay, my superstars. So this video will not take too long. We'll stop here for now. There are actually some other requirements for starting a palm oil packaging business. In our next video, we'll continue with those requirements for starting a palm oil packaging business. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. And please, my superstar, like and share this video. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.